view is amazing, but to be honest, I think I need a helicopter rescue because I'm about to be done and we're not even halfway yet. We're almost all the way up, but then we have to go all the way down again. In total, it's a little over 5-mile trail, but the terrain is not beginner worthy. As you can see, that's the trail. So I'm not going to the gym. I have absolutely no endurance training. I smoke, gaining weight from my office job, and I mean, yeah. Do I regret getting on this hike to the high skyline loop? When it comes to my abilities, yeah, absolutely. When it comes to the view, the beauty of Mount Rainier, no, I don't regret that. I mean, look at this. You're close to the mountain itself. You can hear the glaciers cracking and it's just breathtaking. You don't see this everywhere, but the terrain, holy smokes, guys, not for the faint heart. So I'm still waiting to finally smoke my cigar on the highest spot that I can reach. Definitely keep you updated when I'm there, but it could take some time because I'm still not there. Oh, by the way, see these two right there? Yeah. His girl, his wife, is pregnant. 7-month pregnant. And they're just running away from me. So that's the highest I go. Didn't make it all the way up there to Mira. It's just because the cloud is coming down and it's getting pretty cold. So time for my cigar. That's my cigar. Now, descending. We meet other people right there. So we just saw a couple other people and yeah, so let's go downhill.